this is Group 16, and these are our team members: Zhenxi Li, Minhao Liu, Minhao He, Junhui Xiao, Yijie Bao, Yikang Li. So imagine being trapped thousands of meters below the ocean surface inside a research station that is slowly collapsing around you. So our game is called Abyss Protocol. It is a cooperative survival game set in a fully deep-sea research station, where players must be repair critical systems, manage limited resources, and escape the abyss while concealing their own hidden agendas. So the core of this game is not only survival, but also the unstable relationship between cooperation and suspicion. Players need to one another in order to survive, yet they can never be fully certain of each other's true intentions. So our concept is built around the three key ideas: pressure, trust, and suspicion. These ideas shape the gameplay, the atmosphere, the visual identity, and the emotion experience of the player. So we draw inspiration from social deduction games, Subnautic, and Deep, and Dead Space.
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Minhao He, and it will show the world below. The game takes place in a near-future deep-sea research station, built for biological and energy exploration. The station is completely isolated from the surface and designed to be fully self-sustaining, relying on internal systems for oxygen, pressure control, power, and communication. However, this isolation also makes it extremely vulnerable. When something goes wrong, there is no immediate help from the outside. As the game begins, the station is already experiencing structural instability and a total communication blackout. And what happened here? At the start of the game, a catastrophic system failure has already occurred. Multiple sectors of the station are damaged. Some areas are flooding and critical systems begin to fail. Pressure levels are dropping and power supply becomes unstable. Communication with the surface is completely lost. What caused this disaster is unknown. It could have been a technical failure, a failed experiment, or even elaborate sabotage. This uncertainty is central to the narrative. Players are not only trying to survive the environment, but also questioning what really happened and whether they can trust each other.
The core gameplay of Abyss Protect is built around cooperative survival under extreme pressures. Players must move through damaged sectors of the stations, gather limited resources, restore failing systems, and unlock pathways to tower escape. The main gameplay loop can be understood in 5 stages: explore, collect, repair, decide, and survival. Players explore hydrants area, collect tools and energy supplies, repair essential systems such as oxygen control or power distribution, makes different group decisions, and then adapt to new service as the station continues to deteriorate. However, the game is not only about completing practical tasks, it is also about emotional experience. We want players to feel tensions for limited time and resources, unbracing from environmental feeling, and uncertainty about who can truly be chosen. The player experience is designed to constantly shift between cooperation and dobit. Helping other player may save the team, but it may also strengthen someone who is hidden game conflicts with your own. Makes every interaction meaningful and every decision emotionally charged.
Multiplayer interaction is equally essential. The game is designed around cooperation, but this cooperation is always fragile. Players must share resources to divide these responsibilities and coordinate repairs. Yet each player may also carry a hidden personal objective that complicated the teamwork. This makes communication itself a form of gameplay. We want every conversation, silence, hesitation, and decision to the matter. In this way, the multiplayer structure does not simply support the concept, it becomes the concept.
Okay, now it's my part. That part is about the visual identity. About visual identities, and we mainly use the cold blue light, and it makes the space feel very cold and empty. And the environment is made of metal and industrial structure. It looks strong, but it's also uncomfortable. Yeah. We also use the right warning light. They show the danger and create the tension. There are also some broke surveillance screen. And the image are unclear, so player cannot trust what they see. Here. Overall, the space have low visibility and unstable system. Player feel lost and short. Next part. And this part about the sun and atmosphere. And we use a low frequency mechanical rippling in the background. It makes the world feel heavy and alive. And there are also some metal noise and alarm sounds. This stress something is going wrong. Another thing I want to mention is the communication sounds are broken and unclear. And player cannot fully understand them. And we also add the breathing sound and electrical noise. This makes the experience more real and stressful. All these sounds create a feeling of the anxious. In conclusion, like our visual and sound atmosphere design makes the game feel tension, cold and unstable. Maybe like this game is really similar to the Cyberpunk 2077. Like it have the same scenery of the Thanks everyone.
Okay, next part. Next one is my part, and my name is Mihail, and I will tell you more about the audience and the viewing. Yes. So the first question is, who is this game for? It's for people who like working together to survive. You like maybe a bit of tension in your team. You like make it tough, caught under pressures. Then this game is for you. Our type of players include the coverage survival players, social deduction players, narrative tension fans, and scientific horror audience. If you are the crazy fans of the Minecraft or some games similar to The Forest, then I think you will love this game. The next question is, why is this game will be compelling? It makes two things: fighting the environment and not knowing where your team may stand. A lot of survival games only care about outside threats, monsters, storms, hungers, and the others maybe just care about who is living. We put these two elements both together, and you have to deal with a dangerous world, and at the same time handle shocking relationship in your group. Your teammate might be help you or will hit you. Then this means you can play again and again and get totally different stories. Every time people make different choice, every time everyone have their own secret goals and quests turn out differently. So each play those three feels new. This game isn't just asking, do you survive? It actually asking, how do you survive? It means you will have some ideas about, make some plans about like, what kind of things should you prepare like for your basic survival. We think this game, we call it Abyss Protocol, stand out because it gives you both mechanical tension and emotional tension. It's for players who want more than just actions. It's for people who like atmosphere, strategies, horrors, and watching some how human fight under pressure. Yeah, thanks.
To conclude, Abyss Protocol is more than a survival game in an underwater station. It is a game about what pressure does to systems, to spaces, and to people. It asks players to not only how they will survive, but who they will become when trust begins to collapse. Abyss Protocol, where survival depends on cooperation, and cooperation is never certain. Thank you, everyone.